Good morning. Hope you are able to understand the previous lecture. Today we'll solve the sums where principal, the rate of interest, time, any of one is missing. The first question is what sum of money will amount to rupees 3630 in 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum compounded year. So what sum of money amount to? So amount is given is 3630. The rate is given 10% per annum and time is 2 years as it is compounded yearly. So amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power n. Amount is 3630. Principal we are not aware of. 1 plus 10 by 100 raised to the power 2. This is cancelled. 3630 is equal to P into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. So therefore P is equal to 3630. This is 10 into 10 divided by 11 into 11. So answer will be 3000. So basically we have to remember the formula and substitute the value. Example 2. Example 2 is what sum of money will amount to 3704.40 in time is 3 years at the rate of 5% per annum compounded yearly. Again, amount is 3740.20, time is 3 years and rate of interest is 5% per annum. So amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power n. So we'll substitute A is 3704.20 is equal to 1 plus 5 by 100 raised to the power 3. This is cancelled 20. So this is 3704.20 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into P. So P is equal to 3704.20 by 100 into 20 into 20 into 20 by 21 into 21 into 20. When we reduce it, it will be 3200. We have to be very careful while doing the calculation. So sum is not difficult, but we have to be careful while doing the calculation. Question number 3. On certain sum, the compound interest for 2 years is 2172 if the rate of interest for successive years is 6% and 8% per annum. Find sum. Sum means we have to find principal. and now the compound interest is given 2172 and rate is 6% and 8% and time is 2 years. So the compound interest is amount minus principal. So this is 2172 and amount formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to the power n minus principal. So 2172, here principal we can take common. So 1 plus R is 6 by 100 into 1 plus 8 by 100, and as we have taken common minus 1. So 2172 is equal to principal into, this will be 106 by 100 into 108 by 100 minus 1. So this will be 2172 is equal to 106 into 108 minus 100 into 100 upon 100 into P. So P is equal to 2172 into 100 upon 108 into 106. 108 into 106. Into 106. This will be 11448 minus 10,000. This will be 1418. So when we'll divide this, the answer will be 15,000. Right? 108 into 106 minus 10,000. Right? So now the next sum is the compound interest on certain money at the rate of time is 5% for 2 years is rupees 246 compound interest. Calculate the simple interest on solution is calculate the simple interest on same at the rate of 6% for 3 years. So time and the compound interest is given. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. The amount is equal to principal into 1 plus R 5 by 100 raised to the power 2. Amount is equal to principal into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 is equal to 441 by 400. Compound interest is equal to 400 by P minus P, 41 by 400 P, and compound interest in actual is 246. So P is equal to 246 into 400 by 41. This will be 6. So principal is 2400 So now this simple interest will be 2400 into 3 into 6 by 100. 24 into 18. 430. That is, so this is all for today. Thank you.